The Giro d'Italia's 14th stage will take riders through Friuli Venezia Giulia on May 24, crossing Italy and Slovenia in a 186-kilometer showcase of speed and scenery. With a sprint-friendly finish and a challenging mountain stage to follow, the region is set for an unmissable cycling spectacle.
We are really happy because Giro d'Italia is another time in Friuli Venezia Giulia. We celebrate the Gorizia, Nuova Gorizia, capital of culture, and we are here to promote all our place.
Tour of Italy is one of the most important events in our region. Every year we are very glad to have in our region this important sporting manifestation. That is important also to promote our region as a region that have great landscapes, great culture.
Una grande opportunità anche perché la straordinarietà dell'evento è che la tappa di arrivo sarà proprio tra Italia e Slovenia in piazza della Transalpina, cioè